Will you take part in my life, my love? That is my dream. I just got a dream. It's what you make it.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to do another ukay-ukay haul or thrift haul. So, puro haul na lang yung ginagawa ko on my channel lately and mostly are fashion pieces. So, I got a lot of cute pieces lately from less consumo and I think that you would love them. That's why I really want to share them with you, from tops to bottoms to shoes. And so yeah, without further ado, let's now start with this haul. Okay, let's now get straight to the first top that I got. And the first one that I got is this vest that I'm wearing right now. So this is just this parang knitted vest na medyo umuusog these days. And that's why pinartner ko siya dito sa white shirt na to. Parang dinoble ko siya. Kasi I've been seeing this from Pinterest lately. And actually, I'm trying to find a vest like this in argyle print pero wala akong nakita. Pero this one is really cute also because it has only two colors and black and white lang. So super basic and it will look good on anything. And I've already tried using this on its own. Yung wala siyang doble. It still looked cute. That's why I bought it. So by the way, all the prices for these tops and bottoms and shoes, I will just put it in the description box kasi I forgot na kung magkano silang lahat. So this top that I got, I think I got this for only like 35 pesos kasi parang nakikita ko, if I remember correctly, meron silang sign doon na 2 for 70 pesos. So buy one take one siya for 70 pesos. That's why 35 pesos lang pumapatak tong top na to, diba? So 35 pesos. The next top that I got is this one. So, ito naman, hindi siya kasama sa buy one, take one. I think ito naman, siguro around 50 pesos lang or something, na doon lang yung range niya. So, this is just this, parang cardigan in baby blue color. And ang nagustuhan ko dito ay yung button details niya na parang gawa pa rin siya sa tela, yung buttons niya. Parang covered siya ng tela. That's why it looked so cute. Tapos, I'm thinking of altering this one into something more crop toppy. Parang ganon. And the only thing that I don't like about it is meron siyang shoulder pads. But anyway, I can cut this off lang if I really don't want it. Hindi naman siya big deal. So, that's why I bought it. The next tops that I'm going to show you are more on camis. Kaya sobrang relate lang nila. Okay, so the first one is this one. If I remember correctly, sobrang rampant to during the 2000s. Gawa ni Megan Fox. Siguro late 2000s na, gano'n. Mga 2010s, ganyan. So this one is from the brand Abercrombie. And ayun, I only got this for 35 pesos. That's why kinuha ko na siya. Kasi sobrang ganda ng quality niya. Para pa siyang bago. As in, kung pupunta kayo sa outlet na Abercrombie, ganda lang din yung mga quality makikita nyo. Parang hindi pa siya nagagamit. I really like also the details na para siyang doble pero hindi. Parang tinahilang siya inside, ganyan. And ayun, sobrang cute niya lang, sobrang basic. And I think it would look good on denims, skirts, shorts, or even pants. It would look good on that. Okay, so the next top that I got is this cute, ano ba ang tawag dito? Yung nilalagay, yung tinatali sa leeg, ganyan. So, nalimutan ko yung tawag dito. Halter ba yun? Hindi na halter kasi pag halter pa ganun lang. Pero, ayun, ganito. I really like this a lot kasi yung pagka-pink niya, hindi siya masakit sa mata. And also, I really like this a lot kasi sobrang early 2000s vintage nung prints niya. So, kung nakikita nyo, para siyang mga floral print na ganyan. And sobrang ganda rin ng tela nito. So, I only got this for 35 pesos. Okay, so the last top that I got is this one. Sobrang yellow naman. As in, dilaw na dilaw. I actually had my second thoughts about this one kasi this kind of color, this is one of the bravest color that I got from Ukay Ukay. Kasi, to be honest, 2019 Diana wouldn't approve kasi look how yellow this is. Pero, I'm trying to be bold on trying on new colors kahit na mura na ako. And it's really hard to find the right shade of yellow, the right shade of red for me. But anyway, so when I shopped with my boyfriend, he told me that it looked good. And I think it looked good din naman. Feeling ko kasi it would look really good on that jumper that I got kasi medyo since bright siya tapos denim parang nag-stand out siya so it looks really cute. Anyway, so we are now done with our tops. We are now moving to our bottoms. Okay, so the first bottom that I got is this one that I'm wearing right now. Wait lang. Paano ko ba ipapakita sa inyo? Sige na, i-describe ko na lang siya. Anyway, so this one that I'm wearing right now, para lang siyang pencil skirt na merong ruffles sa ibaba. Pero hindi siya not totally super ruffles. Para lang merong pag ganun. Parang flowery details on the ends. And medyo bumabalik yung yung mga design na yun eh. Parang, hindi ko kasi alam kung anong tawag dun. Pero kasi nung elementary ako, marami akong palda na ganun. Yung parang straight siya or pencil cut siya. Tapos, at the ends, nilalagay siya ng siguro mga this long of pleats or ruffles, ganyan. And it looked really cute. Para siyang mermaid skirt. Ganun. So, that's how I'll call it. Mermaid skirt. So, the next palda that I got is this one. So, I think you can call this like sports skirt or sporty skirt. And, ayan, sobrang cute niya lang. It has number 8 at the bottom. And actually, ang magiging problem ko lang dito ay it's too long for my liking. Kasi kung ako talaga yung bibili ng mga skirt, I like them short. As in, as short as they can be na hindi pa kita yung panty ko. But anyway, so I really like this one a lot. It has this dark blue color with pink accent. Katulad nung print niya, tsaka itong little tali niya dyan. And I think this also has shorts inside. So as you can see, meron siyang shorts. That's why sobrang comfortable niya rin gamitin. So, hindi ka masyadong mag-aalala. Okay, so the next skirt that I got is this one. This denim. Siguro medyo dark blue washed na color. And ito, kung nakikita nyo sa camera, parang ang high quality ng denim niya. No? I mean, it's high quality pero manipis na denim lang siya. Which I like, by the way. Kasi yung mga gantong denim, hindi siya ganong, kahirap partneran tapos hindi pa siya mabanas on your feeling. Diba? Ganon. And it also has this embroidery na si Keropee. I don't know if you're familiar with Keropee, pero isa lang siya frog. And it looks really cute. Parang, noong una, sabi ko, gusto ko ba yung embroidery? Pero, yeah, I decided that I do. So, I got this one. At sobrang cute niya lang. And this one, hindi ko na siya kailangang i-alter. Yung haba nito sa akin, ito yung parang enough na haba para sabihin kong masaya na ako para sa skirt na yun. Anyway, so the next bottom that I got is this one. So this is just this flared pants na merong low-waist jeans. And from my last video, I think I told you guys that I'm going to get one soon. And I really did get one for myself. So this one is from Levi's. Kaya ko rin siya kinuha. And one good thing about this is, hindi ko na siya kailangan ipa-repair. Yung pagkasakto niyan sa waist ko, it's perfect. And yung sa height ko, bam! Sobrang perfect. As in, sobrang perfect nung height and nung waist. And I never thought that I will find a pair of jeans like that. Anyway, so, I got all the stuff from less consumos. Alam nyo, personally speaking, in my opinion, pag hindi sale yung mga items nila, they are quite expensive compared to other ukay-ukay. Pero, when they're on sale, as in, tinatapatan nila yung mga prices ng ukay-ukay. And the thing that I love about less consumo ay yung ease of shopping. So, sobrang comfortable ako when I shop. Kasi para siyang mall. Ganon. Tapos, it's huge. There are a lot of choices that you can choose from. And also, yung mga tinitinda nila, parang wala pa naman ako nakikitang parang, alam niyo yung mga lost cause na parang wala ng pag-asa sa buhay. Kasi may mga ganong ukay-ukay na parang yung mga titinda nila punong-puno na ng patches, punong-puno na ng butas, hindi na kayang isuot. Pero sa less consumo kasi, yung mga binebenta nila, kung makikita nyo, parang more on good as new yung mga quality. And by the way, guys, I really want to thank Less Consumo for sponsoring today's video kasi they liked my previous video. Yon, that one was not sponsored. So, they liked that one and they asked to give me like 5 pairs of these cute clothes. That's why I got it and I'm sharing them with you. Pero I'm not paid on saying this. These are just free stuffs and I love free stuffs. And speaking of them, since it's pandemic and to be honest, it's really still risky to go out. So, they are going to have their own online shopping site. So, you can register now at lessconsumo.com. Okay, so for the last bottom that we got is this jumper. So, itong jumper na to, ang favorite ko out of all the ukay finds that I got for this ukay ukay haul. Kasi I've been trying to find a jumper that is super baggy. Kasi yun yung style ng parang cute sa mga jumper. Yung super baggy. And then, sakto lang sa height ko. Kasi I'm small. I'm only 5'2". Kaya sobrang hirap talaga humanap sa akin ng jumper na sakto lang sa akin. Pero this one, this is the perfect height for me. As you can see, pinair ko siya dun sa yellow top na pinakita ko sa inyo kanina. Kasi they are complementing each other in a sense na sobrang bright nung color. Tapos itong jumper, very basic. Pero cute pa din. So, yeah, I really like this a lot. Anyway, so now we're done with our bottoms. We are now moving to shoes. The first shoes that I got is this one that I'm wearing right now. So, this is a boots. Well, this is really inappropriate. Yeah, I got these boots. So, I will just insert a montage here. I've been trying to buy a Doc Martens boots kasi I think that their brand is a little bit expensive pero alam mong sobrang high quality nung mga tinda nila. So I think it would last me a lifetime and I can even give it to my grandchildren or whatever. Since feeling ko hindi pa ako ready to make that commitment with Doc Martens, I got this one from Consumo and it looks really cute at sobrang badass nung design niya. It has this buckle at the side and then basta sobrang cute niya. Parang sobrang badass talaga nung design niya. So these are the boots that I would wear if it's not that hot in the Philippines. So why did I buy it? I don't know. It looks cute. Alam niyo, para kasi ngayon, sana dumating yung panahon na ino-normalize na sa Pilipinas yung nagbo-boots kahit mainit. Kasi ipaki niyo ba kung gusto niyo mag-boots, diba? Wala kayong paki. If that's not enough boots for today, I have one! I have another one that this long. As in, look at this one. Sobrang cute niya talaga. And parang feeling ko siguro kasi hindi ako pinagbigyan ng nanay ko na maging lead majorette nung high school ako. So, I'm taking it out right now when I'm an adult and I can buy my stuff. This boot, sobrang basic lang ng design niya. As in, meron lang siyang konting details on the foot itself. Tapos, it has the zipper at the sides. And other than that, nothing else. And ang gusto ko dito sa boots na to, if I'm going to wear a boots that this long, gusto ko yung hugging dun sa legs ko. Kasi I think it will be too much na if I'm going to wear a boots that this long tapos loose pa. So, I got this one that is very hugging to my calves. And, ayun. Okay, so the next one that I got is this one is like one of my favorites. There are two favorites out. Actually, lahat sila favorite ko. Pero, syempre may top 1 and top 2. Pero this is like my top 2 favorite. And, guys, it's self-explanatory why I like this so much. This is from the brand Bull Titan US. So, I think kalaban siya ni Doc Martens. And by the quality, I can say na, yes, kalaban talaga siya ni Doc Martens. Kasi, kinuha ko to kasi I've been trying to get a Doc Martens shoes also, pero in black. And when I saw this in white, I never thought that I needed one in white. Na parang, yes, I need it. Give it to me, baby. Second to the last shoes that I got is this one. So, this is from the brand KSwiss. And this is just this, parang medyo same ng design ng Air Force 1. Pero it has this bright colors. Like this blue and this pink. And it's really cute. It's so 2000s. I think it would look good on denim. I think it would look good on denim jeans or denim skirts. It would look good on that. Ayun, I really like this a lot. And yung quality naman niya, parang you can see that it's already used or parang medyo vintage na yung touch sa kanya. Pero it's still good. It's still usable. It's still presentable. That's why I got it. Anyway, so for the last shoes that I got is this one. So this is my top 1 favorite out of all the ukay that I got. So this is the Chuck Taylor high cut Converse. And girl, who doesn't need a Converse, right? Meron siyang details na hindi ko alam. Feeling ko special edition to ni Chuck Taylor. Kasi meron siya dito parang Hello Kitty bow or something. Tapos meron din siyang nasan yun, design na. Ayan, kung nakikita nyo, meron siyang feather deets na nakalagay dyan. And I think it comes with a, yun nga, parang special edition kasi siya ng Chuck Taylor. So yeah, that's why I got this one. Anyway, so regarding the shoes, they are quite expensive. Pero when I go to other ukay-ukays din naman, ganun din yung mga pricing nila. Parang mga nasa 500 pataas. Pero this one kasi, this is for 950 pesos. Pero, they are on a 30% off. So, babawasan nyo pa yung 950. And if you're going to buy a new Converse from the mall, siguro medyo mahal. Anyway, so we are now done with our haul. Hello guys! This is my new adoptee, Pebbles. Nakita lang namin siya sa may daga. Anyway, so she's really cute and she's really sweet. Anyway, so that is it for today's video. And I hope you guys love this haul also as much as I loved it. And if you have any other questions that you would like to ask, you can drop it at the comment box down below. And if you like this video and if you like me, subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, of course, hit that like button, bitch. So yeah. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye!